Hello everyone! Today we will study about the Filipino Tagalog grammar, daw, raw. Daw or raw in English is he, she, they, it is, said, or according to, reportedly. It is used in communication involving at least 3 persons. Daw or raw is used when you are talking about something which was already told by someone other than the speaker. Before, daw or raw are used to be daw if preceding word ends in consonant and raw if vowel. But now, it is interchangeable. For example, pagod daw siya. Pagod is tired. Daw is she or he said. I used she as an example. And siya is a Filipino gender-neutral third-person pronoun. This means you use a single word, siya, for both he and she. Ano daw? Ano is what, and daw he or she said. Aalis ka daw? Aalis ka daw? Aalis is leaving, ka is you, and daw is he or she said. Baka daw umulan. Baka daw umulan. Baka, it might. Daw is he, she, or they said. I use they said as an example. And umulan is rain. Galit ka daw? Galit ka daw? Galit is angry. Ka is you. And daw, he, she, said. Or it can be, I heard. May sakit daw siya. May sakit daw siya. May, have or has. Sakit is sick. Punta daw tayo sa mall. Punta daw tayo sa mall. Punta is go. Tayo, we, or us, or let us.